Check out this Kia 2020 Niro Touring SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic with auto-shift transmission. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.